Feeling overwhelmed or stressed? Discover the calming power of walking meditation, a simple yet effective way to ease anxiety and regain inner peace. By combining mindful walking with deep breathing, this practice helps you reconnect with the present moment, reduce tension, and find clarity. Let's take the first step toward a calmer, more balanced you. Hey friends! If you're feeling anxious or stressed, I've got a wonderful practice for you today, walking meditation by two. It's simple yet profoundly effective in calming the mind and easing anxiety. First, find a quiet, safe place where you can walk undisturbed. It could be your backyard, a quiet path, or even your living room. The key here is to feel safe and comfortable. Start by standing still for a moment. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension in your body with each breath. Now, gently open your eyes and begin to walk slowly. Pay attention to each step. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice how your body moves as you take each step. There's no rush, just a slow, intentional walk. As you walk, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the rhythm of your breathing. Inhale with one step, exhale with the next. Let your breath guide your pace. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the sensation of walking and breathing. You might find it helpful to focus on a mantra. Something simple like, I am calm on the inhale and I am at peace on the exhale. Repeat this silently to yourself as you walk. Walking meditation is not about reaching a destination. It's about being present in the moment, connecting with your body and breath. If you start to feel overwhelmed, pause for a moment. Take a few deep breaths and then continue when you're ready. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. The goal is to find a sense of calm and centeredness. Practice regularly, so even if it's just for a few minutes each day, and you'll start to notice a positive shift in your anxiety levels. So next time you're feeling anxious, give walking meditation a try. It's a gentle, powerful way to calm your mind and find peace within. Take care and keep walking. Thank you for watching Walking Meditation, your path to anxiety relief. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on mindfulness and wellness. Stay calm and take care.